So this is another powerful ghost effect. As you can see, the ghost is standing by my side here. The previous one I did, the ghost have to leave my body to go elsewhere to sit down, which makes the video editing a little bit complicated for those that have not mastered video editing. But this one is super easy to do. It's super easy to do. To edit this type of video, make sure you film yourself sitting down on the chair for some second and film yourself standing beside an empty chair for some second. After that has been done, then let's go to CapCut. You can use any video editing of your choice, but I'm using CapCut for the sake of this video. So open my CapCut, so click on new video. So it will take me to my gallery to go get my video. So I'll go to my gallery, I'll bring in the video I want to edit, click add. It will now come to the CapCut. So in this CapCut now, we'll have our video here. I will always recommend, once you bring in your video, you first of all check the aspect ratio of your video. The aspect ratio is the video size that you want to make. So I always want to make 9:16 portrait aspect ratio. So I'll rather put it on 9:16 aspect ratio. So come down here and scroll down to where you see aspect ratio. Click on the aspect ratio. If you watch on this aspect ratio, this video is already on original, but then I want it to be on 9:16 portrait. So I'm going to click on 9:16 aspect ratio. Then remember to always click this good sign each time you finish applying any effect in your video. So we are done with that. So the next thing we should do is to go through our video and split and delete the unnecessary parts. The unnecessary parts are those empty places in our video that is not really going to appear in this video. Is the unnecessary part, the part that we don't really need in this video. So I'm going to scroll down this way. So I'm going to scroll down this way. So I'm going to scroll down this way. So I'm going to scroll back. So coming right from here, so I'm going to split this video from here where he's sitting down. So I'm going to split it, and go back and delete the first one, the one by my left side. I'm deleting it. So I'll scroll through my video, So keep going. Okay, now he stood up, he's walking away. So from before he stood up here, so I'm going to split it again. So but before I move forward, I would like to reduce the volume of this video because I don't really need the volume in this tutorial. So I'm going to click on it. The video clip is already selected. So click on the volume, then take it backwards, reduce it to 0, then tick the good so that it will appear. So now we can no longer hear the volume of the video. So now go down to where I split this video. So from where I split this video, I'll move forward a little bit. Okay. So from where he's standing, I'm going to split it once again, then come to this middle one. I don't need it in this video, so I will delete it. So go forward again. Just to go through this video. All this place is standing. He's standing. Okay. He's standing. So at the point where he stopped, before he started walking away here, so I'm going to split it here and delete this one at the right hand side. I don't need it. So now always remember to delete this CapCut watermark at the extreme end of this video. So it's already selected. Click on delete, it will be deleted. So now we have two different clips here. The first one where he's sitting down, and the second one where he's standing beside an empty chair. So where he's standing beside an empty chair is going to be the ghost. So now what I'm going to do is to select this video where he's standing. It's already selected, as you can see. Once your video clip is having, okay, now I'll select it. When you select it, you see this white border line that goes around the video clip. Means it's already selected. So now that it's selected, so we'll go and look for overlay. to overlay it. So go down here, see our overlay, click on the overlay to bring it down. So now manually click it, then manually click, then now so manually click it, drag it to the beginning of this other clip, to the beginning of this other clip. So now that we'll drag it to the beginning of this other clip, if you watch, it's covering the first one, but don't worry. So what we are going to do here again now is select the video, the overlay one, then look for your marks. So we'll go down, we'll go straight to the end, we'll see our marks here. Click on your marks, horizontal. So click on this horizontal and you'll see something like this. So you're going to use your hand to turn it around on the screen. So use your hand to turn it around this way, so that when you do it, then both of the videos are going to appear. So turn it around and manually arrange it, shift this line to where it will not affect any of the videos. So just put it here, manually fix it the way you want. So that place is okay, that place is okay. But then if it's still not okay for you, click good, then you can go here and then use your hand to drag this video a little bit forward here. But mind you, watch the wall so that someone cannot notice any difference in the video. So what we are going to do next here, is to remove the background of the overlaid one. That means the one that is standing. So we'll remove the background. So to remove the background, click on, select the video, touch the video clip, it will select, go down here and look for background remover. So when you go down here, you scroll down till you see remove BG. So this is my remove BG. Click on it, then click on auto removal. Give it some time, it will remove the entire background on the overlaid one. So remember to always tick good when you are done. So tick good. So now it has applied. So when you play this video now, he's sitting down and another of his kind is standing beside him, reacting, just shaking, doing all sort of things to the end of this video, So now, so what we're going to do here now is we're still going to select the overlay. Select your overlay. Once you select your overlay, then look for opacity. Come down here and look for opacity. So we'll go straight down here, scroll to, you will see our opacity. Click on your opacity, then return it back to 30% or so. Return it back to 30%. As you can see on the screen now, the one standing now has faded in a ghost format. So once you are done with how it is, always remember to click good. So once you click good, it will appear. So now when you play the video, this is what you're going to see on the video. This is what you're going to see on the video. So he's standing beside him, doing his thing. So guys, the next thing we are going to do, so that this video will not be too long, let's get it to 15 seconds and split it. So 15 seconds. So come here, touch the video, split it and delete the right side, split the first clip, touch it and split it, delete the right side. So our video is going to end at 16 seconds. So now I'm done with this video. The next thing you should do on your video is to look for sound effects. The sound effect helps to bring the video to life. So now I'm going to go back here and click and return this arrow, then look for where I have my audio, then go to sound. So go to sound. I always like to use funny sound for this type of video. So I'll click on funny sound. It will bring a lot of funny sound for me. So I will select to pick the one I want for this video. So I'm going to take this one for the sake of this video. So when we play this one, this is what we're going to have. So we'll come towards the end and split it. Split the sound and delete this other side. We don't need it in this video any longer. So I always like adding more funny sounds on the video. So like just look for somewhere and add something funny again. So go back to your sound, go back to here, click on your funny sound. So look for another funny sound you want to add. I love this one. And just put it anywhere here. Increase the volume. So guys, after you've done this, the next thing you should do is to put if you have logo on your video, if you normally put logo, your name on your video, you put your name on your video. After that has been done, the next thing you should do is to go straight to the top right hand side where you see export and click on export to export your video. So when you are done exporting your video, you find your video in your gallery. From your gallery, you can now start posting your video to whichever platform you want to post your video. So let's check our gallery if our video is there. So we'll go to our gallery. Okay, when we open our gallery, this is the video we just created together now. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow us on this page, like and share, so that other people too that are looking for ways to learn this kind of video editing will see it and learn from it. Thank you, and see you in the next video.